So this question is talking about exchange rates. So we can see here we've got an exchange rate of £1 is the same as 1.16 euros, and it's given us some different costs in France and England about the cost of a newspaper, and they want you to compare whether it was cheaper to buy in France or England by working out the difference between the costs. So the key thing here is we've got to work out the difference. So that means we need to work out the cost of the paper in either the equivalent pounds as euros or the equivalent euros as pounds. So if we look at the £1 to £1.16 euros, then we've got pounds, we've got euros, 1 to 1.6. So for £2.50 we had to multiply by 2.5 to get that. So we multiply by 2.5 there. So 1.16 times 2.5, so 290 euros. It says work out the difference between the cost, and it doesn't say whether it wants it in pounds or euros, so literally it's a choice of yours. So they said the cost of the newspaper is €5. So we've got €5, take away 290 euros, so 210 euros. So we could say 2.10 euros. Now we could have done it the other way around. We could have said that we'll work out the cost as so when we have the exchange rate of 1 to 1.16, we could have looked at what happened for the €5, and if we can see there, then to turn this into this, then we would have to work out the scale factor of the 5. So we'd have to be doing 5 divided by 1.16 equals 431. And because we had to multiply that by 431, then we have to multiply this by 431. And again, we could then work out the difference in the cost. So 431 take away £2.50. So take away 2.5, so £1.81. So again, we could have worked it out in two different ways. We could have worked out the amount of euros, or we could have worked out the amount of pounds. Either way, you'd get the mark in the exam by using either one, because it's not specified whether you want. So the difference in the cost of the newspaper is either €210 or £1.81 in pounds.